of CCTV camera,
Yes,
then resting place,
Yes.
washroom.
yes. And implementing, my lord, the erstwhile principal and the erstwhile MSVP also a party to the proceeding.
Kindly see that social media is full of incorrect statements. Lord, the problem of social incorrect, even in one of the repetitions, Lord, one boy's name has been taken. Social media is flashing the picture of one boy. Detailed report covering every aspect.
Lord, what we are
I
saying,
have not gone through the full investigation myself. Lord, we won the midnight oil last night. I have gone through the entire thing. I can satisfy you. I'm 100% confident that
issues are, my lord, identical.
Yes.
Item 1, 2,
No,
3.
there are
If-
totally 5 repetitions.
Yes.
I think the common prayer in all the repetitions is for a investigation by CBI.
My lord.
Yes.
Correct?
My lord.
And apart from that, some repetitions, your case, you want installation of CCTV camera,
Yes.
then resting place,
Yes.
washroom.
Yes. And implementing, my lord, the erstwhile principal and the erstwhile MSVP also a party to the proceeding.
There is somebody mentioned yesterday stating that something needs to be done to the doctors who are on strike because the hospital is not able to function.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Item number 5.
Item 5.
That item number 5, I mentioned that. This is the
Sir.
thing is going on and has to be looked into. Because yesterday 2 patients has been
Problem
died.
is, sir,
Two more. Today, what will be happen, we don't know.
but then the doctors are not implicated in any capacity.
My lord, I am pointing out that the not doctor, that the state of machineries or any other authorities
No, but then
may
they
be
need to
directed
talk to them.
protect
No?
the patient at least.
See, you should look to the other side also. Of course, it is true that the patients are suffering because the doctors are not are on strike. It is not a phenomena in West Bengal alone. It has spread to the other states.
Yes, yes, all over the India.
So this situation is anomalous situation. But at the same time, you need to also take note of their feeling. If one of their colleagues has been so brutally been dealt with, so their feeling also needs to be appreciated. So for which, if suppose there is some association or something, if they can be implemented, if you give the name, we can suo motu implement them. We can put them on notice. 1 or 2 of them can come here to court. They need not even engage a lawyer. We will appeal to them. At least for the sake of the patients,
Right.
something can be done. What is the state doing, Mr. Banerjee?
Lord, as far as the investigation is concerned, a thorough, transparent investigation is on. And I use the word transparent because the family is updated constantly by the highest officers of the police force about the progress that is being made.
No, the parents are also before us.
Yes, if your lordship so desires, I shall not, for the purpose investigation, I would not, because your lordship will kindly see that social media is full of incorrect statements. Lord, the problem of social incorrect, even in one of the repetitions, Lord, one boy's name has been taken. Social media is flashing the picture of one boy. He is a boy from humble background in the district of Bankura. He is very much present over here. His picture is being flashed that he's missing.
That we can't do anything.
That is only
we can't gag the press. No.
No, Lord, may I only no, this is not gagging the press, Lord. May I say this? We have a helpline, Lord. I'm giving the number of that. Anybody has
Sir, at the end of the day, the parents who are now before court, keep alone Mr. Bakshi's case or whoever is it, the leader of opposition has filed it, and 2 more social activists have filed. But more importantly, we have granted leave for the parents of the victim to file the writ petition. So, what does the Honorable Supreme Court say? To transfer investigation, the court should be satisfied that the investigation is not proceeding in the manner it should proceed, or it doesn't instill confidence on the persons concerned, more particularly the family of the victim. So, state police undoubtedly has been done some investigation. I think picked up 1 person has been arrested till now. Of course, we also read these newspapers. We can't be without. There is a statement from the highest authority of the state stating that some ultimatum has been granted till Sunday. If nothing happens, the state is willing to transfer it to the central agency. That's the statement we read. Maybe right or wrong. That's up to the state to make a submission. But you will have to cover all these angles.
Milord, everything with deepest of respect, may I, Milord, file a report in the shortest time that your lordship fixes? I will, with the full details of the investigation in a sealed cover before your lordship, for your lordship.
My lord, only one thing, my lord.
I shall keep the detail because when investigation is such a thing, I cannot let it go public. But my lord, for your lordship's perusal, I shall file a detailed report covering every aspect.
My lord, what we are
I
saying,
have not gone through the full investigation myself. You know, we won the midline oil last night. I have gone through the entire thing. I can satisfy you. I'm 100% confident that if your lordship peruses the report, your lordship will see that every aspect has been taken into consideration. Everything has been. Most of the we shall be able to, except for there are some scientific tests which need to be done. Except for that,
No.
the shortest period will be able.
As of now, the court is not expressing any opinion on that. Now, today is the first day, all the petitions have been filed. You let copies be served on all of them.
No, some of them have not been served. The
parents, we have served.
parents, one has not been served.
Just now we have granted.
But I have got the parents' word.
Uh,
But it has been sent to for
The
affirmation.
committee that is here, you can serve it here and now.
So you please, all of you, please serve it on the ground reader, probably within 2 hours from now. Then let them take instructions, let the report come in a sealed cover. That is one aspect regarding the investigation and how you are going to proceed. The second aspect is, what is the assurance you will give to the doctors? The doctors are on strike. They are, as I said, that you can't ignore their feelings. The state missionary should enter into a dialogue with them because it is such a noble profession. The innocent patients shouldn't suffer. It's not that they purposely want to do it, but the incident is so gruesome as portrayed in the press as well as in the writ petitions. Is so gruesome. They are justified. They are justified in a way. How do they express their emotion? So what they feel is, if it has happened to X, why will not happen to?
Absolutely, 100%. But I'm not for a moment, because I'm not treating this matter as adversarial. I am.
And they want some CCTV place to be illuminated.
That will be done.
These are all basic things.
There is, fortunately, it is not that the area is fully without CCTV. In fact, we have been able to track the entire movement through CCTV. So there were CCTVs, but there should have, if your lordship says, there should be more. But as your lordship knows, the entire campus, it is very difficult to bring every inch of the campus under CCTV.
No. You can bring the entire state under CCTV. We have done peak of COVID. I'll tell you what happened in the High Court of Madras. It is also a chartered High Court. Every district court complex, subdivisions, we don't have Sadar. We have courts spread over the district. There are totally 36 districts at that time. All had CCTV. Honorable Justice A.P. Sahi was our Chief Justice. So to monitor that, our in-house software team